Ooh, I'm going to show you some beautiful fabrics this morning. We're going to start off with the wool acrylic. Really pretty piece of fabric. I think both sides could be used, either side could be used, but you see it's got all the current colors for what's going on for fall 2024. It's beautiful. It's the earth tones, but it's also got that dark gold gray in there. Just a really pretty piece. This is a denim. Just got a little bit of sheen on it, which again is popular for fall. It's 100% cotton. Just a very pretty piece of navy denim. And then I'm in love with this quilted. Oh my goodness, you'd think it was my favorite piece of fabric on the planet. I made a shirt out of it. It's got stretch in both directions. It's so soft. It's just amazing how pretty it is. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. This is a blue-white check. Again, this is 100% cotton. Isn't that pretty? It's just so soft, but yet it's got body to it. And this is a woven, so it's reversible. Very beautiful quality. Obviously Italian. This is a wool acrylic. This is a plum, and I love this. It's reversible, great selvage, cape, vest, jacket, coat, you name it. And then I put this Balenciaga in here because this is also wool acrylic, and look at the two together. They're just really beautiful. This is a Balenciaga. It's a Pontoroma. It's got stretch in both directions. Not a lot of stretch, but good, perfect for our slim yoga pant that we're going to do. It would be beautiful, and then a little cape out of this. So the goal is, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.